Let's draw bunnies. Hello and welcome to the bunny edition of Go-Go Mock Rocket Sheep. We're drawing bunnies, easy, cute, medium, famous cartoon bunny. And then hard mode, we'll draw a realistic bunny. But before we get to that, let's take a look at the drawings that you sent in last week. Easy mode. Let's draw a circle to start, and then we're going to draw a little bump on each side of the circle like that. Nice. We're going to put a circle and another circle. These are the eyes. You can color those ones in. And then we're going to put two little lines like this, and then a mouth. That's a W. Put circles here because it's got rosy cheeks. Okay, then we are going to put ears, and one ear is going to come and flop down like that, and one ear is going to stand up like this. Then you can draw another little hoop in there, and kind of like that. Maybe make it a little fuzzy. That's pretty cute. Okay, then there's going to be a carrot. So we draw a point, and then like that. Bring it around like that. There we go. And then you add this at the top. Line. Okay, then the one arm's coming up like this, and another little arm like that. And by arm, I mean the bunny's front legs. And then a cute little chubby body with a foot out here. You can draw the paw. I think bunnies have paws, right? I think they do. I'm gonna look that up. And then a little fuzzy tail. So there is your cute bunny. To make the outlines look nice and soft, I'm going to be outlining each shape in its dominant color. So the bunny's pink, the carrot's orange, and the greenery is green. There's our easy mode bunny. I think it looks pretty cute. Medium mode. Okay, for medium mode, we're going to draw Bugs Bunny. We're going to draw it from a reference image, but I'm not going to use the reference image pose. I'm just going to use it to kind of understand how Bugs Bunny looks, because I don't know how to draw Bugs Bunny off the top of my head. So anyway, we're going to start with a diamond, like that, and we're going to make it roundy in the middle, put a little dot for a nose, and then we're going to make it kind of like this. Alright, kind of like a heart shape. Chin, and then under the nose, we're going to go like this, a little W, teeth, a rectangle, then mouth curves up like this and comes down to make a U shape, then a tongue, which is just going to be two little bumps for now. Okay, then over here it goes 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, kind of like little furs, and then a root of here, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, draw some whiskers. One, longer, medium, longer, medium. Okay. Then 1, 2 little lines there. Oval. That's a crazy looking oval. Oval like this, an oval like this, with a little dot and a little dot. Okay. Then it comes over the head. This Bugs Bunny is looking a little crazy. That's okay. Then the ear, it's a swirly line like this, And another one over here. Up, down, and then the shape on the inside. And over here. And then he's kind of got a little bit of hair that goes like that. Okay, now his body, it looks like he's got a neck. And then the body comes down. And then the body comes down on this side. But, there we go. Oh, nope. Okay. Maybe I'll do the oval first. He's got an oval for his chest. His legs come here. Kind of got a little butt here. And then he's got big feet, which kind of go like this. I'm copying this pose more than I wanted to, but this is my first time drawing Bugs Bunny, so. Okay, like that. His feet comes down, and he's kind of got feet like this. 1, 2, group, each toe individual. 1, 2, big swoops for toes. And okay. Then Bugs Bunny has gloves because why wouldn't he? He's a cartoon character. So big thumb, and it comes down to hands, fingers, 1, 2, and then it looks like there is the cuff of the glove. It's funny how different cartoon characters do gloves different style. Like, I think recently we've drawn Sonic, who was also wearing gloves, but they were kind of a little different. I'm doing a Disney animator trick, which is draw the hands before you draw the arms. And I think it's genius. It really helps because a lot of times it's hard to get the hands where they're supposed to be. Especially if you draw the arms first. But if you draw the hands where they are, you can always connect the arms after, especially with cartoon characters where their arms are kind of noodly anyway. Let's make Bugs Bunny ripped. Just kidding. Okay, so shoulder bump, and then kind of a noodly arm, kind of goes like that. And same on this one. Shoulder bump. There we go. And then he's got his tail, which is like that. Okay. That actually kind of does look like Bugs Bunny. Time to ink it up.
The nice thing about digitally inking, of course, is that you can get really good smooth lines because you can make the same line over and over and over again and then just keep the one that you actually like. If you're inking with a real pen on paper, you obviously can't do that. You have to go real slow, but with digital you can go quickly.
There's my Bugs Bunny. The grays don't quite come out right on the screen capture, but on the video I think you can see it turns out a little better.
Hard mode.
There's my hard mode bunny. It's a combination of digital watercolor and pencil crayons and using a multiply layer to do some shading and stuff like that. So I think it turned out okay. I'm kind of happy with how that looks. Anyway, thanks so much for drawing along. Hope you had a good time drawing bunnies. If you did, I'd love to see them. So send them to me, gogomockrocketcheap@gmail.com, and I will put them in next week's video. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.